For working aspirant, what I want you to do, you have to fix the rule. And the rule one is 5 hours average per day. And this includes Sunday. I'm not saying Sunday ko, I need 12 hours. It's fine, you give 12 hours. But on an average, in a week, I want 35 hours of study from you. And this is nothing but productive study. Again, I have not explained what do I mean by productive time. I will devote 2 minutes here. Please, everyone, please, 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 isko sun ke jana. What do I mean by productive time? It is very important for you to understand. कोई मतलब नहीं है फिर अगेन इस वीडियो का, ठीक है. You have to know what is productive time. So what I'm expecting at least 35 hours a day. Sorry, in a week. So this is week. Now second question is how I am expecting it. I am expecting 5 hours continuous stretch. Continuous stretch. What do I mean by it? I mean sir, generally what happens, समझिए, let's understand this, क्या हो रहा है with the working aspirants. Let's say you have a job from 9 a.m. or maybe it is something like this, generally 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. These are your working hours. What generally people do, what generally aspirants do, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. they study, or maybe they don't study. I mean, it could be any case. Some chill out, right? So they don't study in the morning. Then they will come back tired, so they start the studies from 7 p.m. There will be some breaks. Dinner ka break ho gaya, maybe some call from some friends, etc. All those breaks will be there in between. They will go to the bed by 12. So these 5 hours will have the break at least of dinner. खाना तो खाओगी यार. What I am expecting now, see, let's see the repercussion. Acha, what I am saying, this I am not expecting you to follow. Generally 95% of those who are watching the video right now, you follow this. What I want you to do is, let me tell you the issue first. Issue is, beta, here in this, what I can say, in this time slot, since you are doing the job, once you're coming back home, you are tired, and since you are tired and then you are studying, you are not that productive. You are giving 5 hours, I agree, but you are not that productive because you are tired. Whatever was your energy, you have already drained it out in the office hours. That is the, what I can say, constraint which many of you. I am giving you two suggestions. Suggestion number one. समझिए. Again, let me repeat this before I come to the suggestion. इशू क्या है? इशू ये है कि आप थके हुए आ रहे हैं ऑफिस से, थके हुए हैं, तो प्रोडक्टिवली पढ़ाई नहीं हो पाएगी. भले ही आप 5 घंटे पढ़ रहे हैं, आपको लगेगा आप 5 घंटे पढ़ रहे हैं, बट उसमें उतना प्रोडक्टिवली आप नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे. धीरे धीरे बैकलॉग क्रिएट होने लगेगा, कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन होने लगेगा, फिर आप अगले साल की सोचेंगे. और ये साइकिल रिपीट होती रहेगी. बहुत बच्चों के साथ होता है. तो ये ब्रेक कैसे करें? हाउ वी हैव टू ब्रेक दिस साइकिल इज समथिंग आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. 2 options are there. Suggestion 1 is, let's say you're back at 7 p.m. Sorry, you're back at 6 p.m. You're back, get fresh, have dinner, and go to bed by 7:30 p.m. Sleep. Whatever are the disturbances in the family will not be there for you because you are sleeping. Wake up, maybe 7:30 के बाद you sleep 7 hours. It's fine, you sleep 7 hours. कितना हो गया? 7 और 5 12, 12 30, then 1 30 2 30 3 30. ठीक है. Wake up at 3:30. ठीक है. What I'm saying, you sleep for 7 hours, 8 hours. It's fine. Your sleeping cycle I'm not disturbing, or the number of not sleeping cycle, number of hours for you sleep I'm not disturbing. You wake up at 3:30. The benefit is, sir, you are very productive. Since you wake up, you're very productive, very energetic, very fresh. You're very fresh. You study for 5 hours, study until 8:30 or maybe 9. So these 5 hours will be at least 2 times more productive than those 5 hours. First thing, way out one. Second suggestion 2 is that for example, you are back at 6 p.m. This should be with time. This cannot कि आप कल से try करेंगे हो जाएगा. You try to sleep. Have a good sleep. Wake up by 8. Or one more thing could be, but it will not be good for your health, is you eat and sleep. But again, it is not good for health, so I am not recommending it that strongly. The idea is you wake up by 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. It's fine. And then you study for 5 hours. The only thing which I want that you remain productive. That is it. In this, the only beauty is that since you wake up 3:30, no one else is wake up. And no one else is what I can say, roaming around the house to disturb you. So that is the beautiful aspect. You are very calm. Your study table is very clean. I mean, no one is there to disturb you. No, I mean, family issue, all those things will be very productive here, right? This also you can follow if you are someone who is not the night owl, or maybe who cannot wake up that early. I mean, you can follow this also, right? So the rule 2 is 5 hours continuous stretch. So either you will go for the suggestion 1 or suggestion 2, whatever you want to follow. Rule 3 now. Rule 3 is, sir, please follow this rule. Please follow this rule. You should be having the summaries for both pre and mains. And we are focusing on this as a part of Brahma. See, the basic pain point for the basic working aspirants is that if you are revising something, it is taking a hell lot of time. Polity is taking maybe 10 days, 15 days. History is taking, again another 15 days, 20 days, and you're not having the time to revise it. That is how you're giving 4 hours, 5 hours on daily basis, and you're revising it in 15, 20 days. So your first task should be to compress it, so that you're able to revise this everything in 1 day or maximum 2 days. So that is what we are focusing as a part of Brahma. So if you're part of Brahmas, my first task will be to get your summaries done. Now these summaries will be value adding down the line. कुछ टेस्ट से मिला ऐड कर लिया, इधर से मिला टेस्ट. सिर्फ 40 पेजेस में एंटायर एनवायरनमेंट इज कंप्लीटेड, 40 पेजेस में एंटायर इकोनॉमी, 40 पेजेस एंटायर पॉलिटी. Everything is concise from prelims point of view. Same we have done from the mains point of view. If you want to write some test, you are ready within the next 4 to 5 hours for the particular subject, because you are able to revise it very quickly, right? So this is something which is mandatory. I mean, I've seen students who are arguing ki sir, I already have the notes. Arey, those are the foundation notes. You are revising 1000 pages, you will end up giving the time of 6 days, 7 days. Then you lose the entire momentum. For working aspirants, please, 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 this is mandatory. Follow your mentor. I've already guided them. I've given the instruction, and I'm following every one of you personally, whosoever is working, right? This is something which is mandatory. Please, please do follow. Please do follow, so that we can increase the number of revision and the attempt you see. You already have the confidence since you're working. There is no so much pressure on your head ki yaar job ka kya hoga and all those things, right? You are mentally free, and you have boosted your revisions with this approach. Otherwise, like the other thing is practice and all those things, enrichment, that I will take care, or we will take care as a batch. Just follow this. Okay. Rule 4 goes for the optional. Rule 4 goes for the optional. And the rule 4 says that for the optional, instead of doing it on daily basis, since you have only 5 hours, fix 2 days. And those 2 days are Saturday and Sunday. Some of you may be in the government job, you have both of them days free. Banking job, alternate Saturdays free. Private job, maybe not even any one of them free. I mean, at least Sunday you are free, right? What I'm trying to make a point is, Saturday you have 5 hours. Sunday, if you can stretch, just give this only to optional. Only to, right? The thing is, current affairs. When to do current affairs? Sir, please try to manage this in office if you can, if possible. If not, under those 5 hours, you will be able to make it 6, I know. Try to incorporate current affairs. Okay. So this is sorted. I've seen some of you doing this in office or maybe doing while traveling, right? Or include this in 5 hours. This is or. I think we have clear cut, talked about the working aspirants. The only thing is, please follow the batch Brahmas. I've personally taken care that even if you're working, the batch is phenomenally working for you.